So they closed this train station, as you can see. However, like February 5th to the 14th, they're doing track work. So today is February 7th by the time of this recording. So they're running shuttle from Harvard to alewife. And then after 8:45, it extends out to Hart Street shuttle. So then that would mean that after 8:45 it would be alewife to Davis to Porter to Harvard to Central to Kendall to Charles, then Park Street. And they're using Yankee buses. They got a combination of like transit style buses and like motor coaches too. You're gonna see they got J4500s. You may not see them at the time of this recording, but they got Mercedes Tourrider, J4500s, by XT40s. They got all types of buses out here. See what I'm talking about? Mercedes Tourrider 403. That's a 2023 model. The 2023 Mercedes Tourrider. I've been on those. That things run pretty well. And then the buses are boarding here. I think they're sending like 2 of them out at the same time. I'm actually hoping to see if I can get on a motor coach. It doesn't matter which one it is. Either one, I'll take it for sure. That's the Setra S-Force. That's a 181. That's a 2019 model. That thing moves. That thing sounds nice. 226. A whole bunch of them actually. That's Hanover, Maryland. I don't figure out why they call it Tripper Bus. It says tripperbus.com, but that is a bus from the Gunther Bus Company. Gunther Charters. I mean, they travel like all over. They got a good rating too from what I've seen doing my research on them, so I guess in the Maryland area, if you go with this company, not a bad choice. Operated by Denali Travel USA, Gillig. Oh wow. That means that bus came from Memphis, Tennessee. What? Denali to Memphis, Tennessee out here helping with the shuttle. Wow. I had to figure out what type of Gillig that is actually. I don't know if I've ever seen Gilligs like that before. That's what I'm talking about, the Yankee Transit. That's on 36 seats. Setra 189. That's a Gillig. Advantage. That's a 2007 model year bus right there. Don't sleep on them Gilligs though. They pick up speed relatively well with the best of them. As far as comfort, I'd probably have to pick. I'm forced between Gillig and New Flyer. I'm picking Gillig as far as comfort for the seats. I hate the New Flyer seats though. But the paint scheme on them New Flyers from Yankee up there, they look nice though. I'll give them that. They do look nice. And then the buses are boarding here for the duration of the shuttle. Normally they board back there where you see the shuttle buses at, but they're boarding over here. That's 210. There's an irizar i6. This is actually, that's the 2020 model. That's a 44-seater. That's unique. They got the fuel tank towards like the driver's side. Normally the fuel tank is in like towards the rear, I've seen. Oh, the fuel tank is to the front and the DEF tank is like right there as far as the irizar buses go. So that's good to know. It takes a whole lot of skill to navigate the bus through like a tight spot like that. That's just skills upon skills upon skills. Also, what everyone says, that's impressive. That's impressive in my book. 56. They out there, they moving. They moving. And we got more shuttles departing. We got 183. I actually have been on that bus before with that same driver. I remember there was like the Green Line shuttle from Riverside. That driver, she was pretty chill. She definitely don't play no games, that's for sure. But she cool though. As long as you respectful, and she respectful to you too. That's how it's about. But then a lot of people just lack respect. Like, it is just sad, man. I don't know why people are like that. 302 Mercedes Tourrider. That is 302. Above all transportation right there. That's that one over there. And then them, they're leaving. I think they're heading to alewife too. I think. Ah, sweet, the bus that I'm waiting for is almost here. Thank goodness. My hands are freezing. Transit police. Yeah, Ford Explorers, huh? Must be nice. Yeah, above all transportation. Fan, seats 56, CX45. CX45 model. I gotta ride this piece of junk over here. Wonderful drivers at the team. But even them that I've spoken to, they don't even like these buses. That says a lot.